just go fishing.
Mac Otter's misty loch fishing trips. Might just work.
Told ya.
Jebra and jellyfish. We're going to need a bigger boat. Is that right? We're going to need a larger vessel. We'll be having one big fish supper for dinner tonight. The Loch Press Monster.
It's real.
Oh, if only I could get a photograph.
No problem. Diddle-diddle-do. Say cheese.
Right, could we have one with you looking a bit scarier? Better for business. Much appreciated. Whoa! Well, we've made a deal. I'll keep the monster supplied with fish, and she'll appear now and again to keep my customers happy. It's a win-win.
Can't the monster just catch the fish itself?
Let's not think about it too much.
Anyway, what do you think? Adding some decoration to a picture can really make it stand out.
I think business will be booming. Thanks, Doodle Girl.
Thank you, too, for taking me on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the Loch Press Monster. Oh, and Jim.